Alright, this first video is going to be about just the Perg and how to set up your workout and stuff. Don't mind the mess behind it, my place is kind of a mess. So, first thing we have is the foot placement. You can actually adjust this by pulling in the straps and tightening it, whatever, but I would actually recommend just leaving it, just because, you know, in the boat, it's got a fixed length, you don't get to choose, so try and get used to it. Over here, one thing we need to know is that we actually lost the little indicators here, but this is adding resistance. For now, we're always going to have it at the lowest resistance, which is all the way up here, but know that if you do bring it down this way, you can add more resistance this way. What that does is just, it adds more airflow, it slows down the wheel a little bit more between each stroke. So, for now, make sure that's always up. Alright, let's get to the machine here. So, first thing you do, power button's here on the top. That turns it on. So you can tell at first it says time. So this is a timed workout. If you want to change it to a distance workout, you hit mod again. So now it's meters, so distance versus meters, and you can toggle it from here. That's basically how you're going to set up your workout. So next thing you do is how to set your time and how to set the distance. So let's say I want to do a 2,000 meter workout. This button here, the set, will move one digit over to the right, and dig will increment the digit by 1. So if I want to do 2,000 meters, I want to make this go up to 2,000. So 2,000, and go back over here, make that a 0, like that. When I'm ready to start a workout, I hit ready right here. Once you hit ready, it's pretty much ready to go. You start your workout. As soon as you start pulling, it's gonna start counting. A couple other things to note here. So let's say, I know if I'm gonna do the same thing for a time workout, I go hit mod, change the workout, change it to time. Say I want to do 1 minute. I'll move it over, bring it over, and do 1 minute, just like that. You'll notice a couple of these other numbers here. These aren't particularly important. So this here, the 70, is the weight of the paddler in kilograms, but for the ease of using this for the team, we're just gonna not change that because it doesn't really matter that much. It basically factors in some weight adjustment for you. This bottom number here is gonna be the drag factor. So for now, that's not important. It doesn't actually tell you what the drag factor it is. It tells you what the last drag factor was. And this here is only important when you connect it up to a computer. So none of this is really important. Don't really change any of this stuff here. So when you start a workout, hit ready, do your workout. One thing you can change if the display is, you want to see something else. So by default, we have it on your pace for 500 meters. And if you really want to, you can change your, what your output is. So this is watts. This one does kilocalories. In general, like if someone resets it, this is how you set it back using the display function here. And then let's see what else. To turn it off, you're gonna hit the ready button, and you just press it and hold it for like about 5 seconds, a pretty long time, and it'll eventually turn off. If you forget to do that, it will turn off after a long time, but that's pretty much it. Again, so turn on with the power button, set your workouts with the mod button, left and right, or left, it really only was left and up, so left with this, up with this, and when you're ready, hit ready. And that's pretty much it. All right.